3-month laban Philippines.
10 a.m. Whatever day it is. Maybe Wednesday. Got nice choco. And I want to live there one day when I'm a billionaire. I got to go to Globe and sort out my data because I have no connections. I paid 600 Plaza. 10 a.m. Robertson's, there's a queue and they're filing into the plaza. And there's a Philippines, hop on, hop off. Buzz. Sunny day, gotta say, it's a sunny day. Will Globe have a resolution? Good to be in the AC. Meals to share, good for 12 persons. Hanshin Bahan, chicken barbecue, 1.6. Barbecue bundle, 2K. Aristocrat restaurant, 4th floor. Customer service. There was not a problem with Globe. I didn't know how to turn on my mobile data. No, it's okay. Resolution. 11 a.m. my favorite place. Smoking area on the 4th floor of Robinson's Past Movie World. I want to be a billionaire and live in Birch Tower. I do shopping at the plaza. Cat food, chocolate biscuits, noodles, and all my cans, and yeah, the plaza.
Prepare. This is Oppo. I don't know what's in English. And the sardines, onion, and garlic. Okay, let's start to cut it. Okay, now finish to get the vegetable, and then it's going to cook. And I put some seeds of jackfruit. I think it's delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. So you need to wash. Then now start cooking. Oil. Next is onion. Garlic. Next is jackfruit seeds. Mix up. Now Let's put some water. Some of water. And then put the vegetables. And then put some magic syrup that will be tasty. Wow. It's now time to taste. Transfer to here. Oops. Wow. It's amazing. Iced tea. Not so good looking, but it's so delicious, promise. It's amazing. So the food is ready. Now we eat. Let's eat.
Lunch courtesy of the Arabian.
Welcome.
It's night again on a Wednesday. Two walking videos had 20 views. Another epic fail on this fantastic channel. But 21 Guns had 200 views. Don't ask me why. Popular song though.
Hi guys, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
This young man has arrived from Turkey.
Hello everybody.
He was in Turkey yesterday.
Yeah.
What do you want to do today?
So I wanna go to the city center actually and the coast side. Maybe Rizal Park. I will visit there, and I will meet with Martin, the Philippine guy, in our hostel. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, Martin, the LGBT.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Park? Rizal Park, you mean?
And yeah, on or Introdamus or something
Yeah.
kind of place. Yeah, I will visit there and come back here and meet with Martin. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
I just started now and I'm trying to get some rest a little bit, and I will go to Taiwan 3 days later.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Tom, good morning.
Good morning. I'm here now to go my friend Barnes because of my wife is fighting in our neighborhoods. Now she's now in. I bring him to.
So you guys had a fight. There was a fight
fighting.
in your neighborhood. Wild, yeah.
Yeah, and then now we need buy medicine, but I don't have.
She's in hospital.
Hospital.
Dream on, love on, live in Philippines.
Dream on, love on, living the Philippines.
Okay, cool. And you just want to get cash?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Oh. Rizal Park with the Australian flags on the left. Early in the morning, 9. Rizal meets the firing squad. Bang, 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 bang! They got you, Rizal. You're dead. Freedom fighter becomes a legend. Bang, 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 bang! They got you, Rizal. Freedom fighter becomes a legend. Killed by the cross of Jesus and the Catholics. Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Bound. It's a Chinese garden. So Mehmet, how's the trip?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Maria Arosa Street with Turkish guy, Mehmet. Corner of Rizal Park. Philippines, hop off, hop on bus. Remember, it leads from the plaza too. National Museum, Fine Arts. And that's the biggest flag I've seen in the Philippines. National Museum of Fine Art. It is absolutely huge, this painting. See how freaking big it is? It's freaking huge. I dream of angels instead. 90 years ago, Filipino who studied in the States and Europe returned and created this so cute. These are the works of Guillermo Tolentino, a legend. Come to me, all that are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest.
Dream on, love on, live in Philippines.